This is 육개장, a spicy, delicious stew that features this. They look like sticks, right? But they're called fernbreak or gosari in Korean. They were picked in North Korea before being dried and exported all the way here to California, where I got them from the local Korean grocery store. My maternal grandmother, or 외할머니, was also from North Korea, specifically from Hwanghae-do. When we were growing up, my family would go on these road trips to Michigan when we'd visit the apple orchards, and 할머니 would climb up all the trees to pick the biggest, fattest apple and toss them down to me and my brother, even if she got yelled at because she could always just shrug her shoulders and claim she didn't speak English. On the way home, we'd be driving along some quiet backwoods freeway when, without fail, 할머니 would yell from the back seat, "Stop! 고사리!" And we'd all climb out of my father's hatchback with plastic bags in hand to pick as many wild green fern breaks as we could so 할머니 could make banchan and muchim and 육개장 to her heart's content. 할머니 left her home when she was a young mother because her village was being bombed. She left behind the house her husband built for them, the bodies of the babies she buried after miscarriages, and the mountains she used to prowl for gosari. She left behind these things so that one day she could teach her American granddaughter how to find a piece of home, however far the road takes you.